Imagine you are a class teacher standing in front of a classroom full of curious young minds. You are teaching them everything from maths, history, science, and language. But there's one lesson missing, a lesson that will shape their futures in ways we can only begin to understand. What if beyond learning about numbers and letters, kids could learn how to manage money, understand the value of saving, or even start investing at a young age? That's where financial literacy comes in. Hey there, parents, welcome to my channel. As a teacher, I've often noticed how some students have a very casual attitude towards money. They want expensive stationery, the latest gadgets, or trendy clothes, and they expect their parents to provide it for them without a question. Some of them don't even flinch when they misplace or lose something expensive. On the other hand, I've also seen students who feel left out or embarrassed when their parents can't afford to buy them the same things as their friends. It's clear that financial literacy begins at home. And as parents, you play a vital role in shaping your child's understanding of money. So, where do you start? And how can you teach your kids the value of money in a way that's fun and engaging? Today, as educators and parents, we face a new challenge, teaching kids the crucial life skill of managing their money, a skill that is no longer optional but essential in today's world. As a teacher, when I look at my students, I realize that no matter how smart they are, without the right financial knowledge, they could struggle later on. You see, financial literacy isn't just about learning how to balance a checkbook. It's about understanding how money works in the real world. It's about teaching kids the foundation for making sound financial decisions as they grow up. You want the best for your kids, right? And that means preparing them not just for the test at the end of the semester, but for the test they'll face every day when they leave the house. Decisions about spending, saving, and even investing. But how do we get started? Where do we even begin? Great question, right? The key is to start early, and it doesn't have to be overwhelming. I mean, you don't have to be a financial expert to teach your kids these basic concepts. Here are some easy ways to get started. First, it's important to introduce the idea of money as something earned, not just given. A great starting point is through allowances or even small chores that reward kids with a set amount of money each week. So as a parent says, you earn this money, but let's think about what you want to do with it. Do you want to spend it all today or save some for something special? Teaching kids the value of money and that it doesn't grow on trees can be a game changer. But it doesn't stop there. Next, let's talk about savings. Set up a simple saving system with jars or piggy banks, one for spending, one for saving, and one for giving. This visual method helps kids understand the importance of separating their money for different goals. Another great lesson comes when you are out shopping. Instead of just saying, we can't afford that, explain the concept of budgeting. Help them understand how making choices with money can impact what you can buy, save, or invest in the future. As your kids get older, you can introduce concepts like investing and the power of delayed gratification. Yes, teach them that sometimes waiting to buy something can lead to greater rewards later on, whether that's saving for a bigger toy or understanding the basics of compound interest. You can even introduce the idea of investing by explaining how money can actually grow over time, whether in a savings account or through small, simple investments. It's a fascinating way to spark their interest in the future. There are also tons of fun tools and resources available that make learning about money interactive. Apps like Bankaroo, Allowance, or Piggybot can make managing allowances a fun game, while books like The Bernstein Bears' Trouble with Money or Rich Dad Poor Dad for Teens teach important financial lessons in a relatable way. By making money lessons part of everyday life, whether through family discussions, games, or real life examples, you will be preparing your kids for a future where financial confidence is as important as academic success. Financial literacy isn't just a nice to have skill, it's a necessity. As a parent, it's your job to start the conversation early, keep it engaging, and make sure your child knows that managing money is a lifelong journey, not a one-time lesson. With the right tools and mindset, you can set your kids up for success, both in school and in life. Remember, the future is bright when kids grow up equipped with the skills to handle money wisely. So why not start today? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on teaching your kids life skills that will serve them well into adulthood. Thanks for watching, and here's to raising financially savvy kids.